Hello kids, so previously we had gone through the poem Watch Me Grow, where we had seen the butterfly coming from an eggs, then caterpillar, then sleeping in the pupa. After that it is becoming a butterfly. So here what happened now? So the change is there from egg to butterfly, that is described in a poem. So what can we write in a poem actually? So coming to a poem, basing on many topics the poems are there. The poems can be written on taking a single thing like butterfly, a ball, a sheep, a tree. So things you can take about people, you can take about the greenery, nature. So many topics are there on which you can write the poems. Okay, so while writing the poems there are some vowel things which we want to remember. So today our aim is to read, pronounce and write IE and AI sound words, and also to write a word web. So why we are going to write a word web and what are the sounds, let us see. So IE and AI, if you see IE and AI, how are the words pronounced? So if I take an example, tie, tie, lie, die. So if I take the words like tie, lie, die, you had seen IE sounds here. IE, two vowels. So previously we discussed that when two vowels are there, only one vowel is pronounced but not the two. So in a vowel theme, previously we observed EE words and also the other words where AE, where we pronounce only E sound, and here also E sound only. Okay. In the same way, we can see that IE. So tie, lie, die. So if I remove the word letter E, so what can be pronounced? Tie, lie, die. Means though I am using I, or even if I remove E also, I can pronounce it the same. So here the sounds, if we observe in the vowels, IE pronounced. So IE will make only one sound, that is the I sound, not the E sound. In the same way, if I go with the word like AI, train, train. So if I remove I, train. Now here the first letter, the first vowel sound we are getting, here also the first vowel sound. Train, A. So if I remove A, so I am pronouncing the word. So like this means the vowel theme. So we are coming to know that when the vowel themes are there, the words like the first vowel or the single vowel sound can be heard. So as we discussed previously in C and AE words or EA words, if you observe SEEC, SEAC. So here also EE. So just remember that when the vowels are there, when two vowel themes are there, we pronounce only the single vowel but not the both. So we are going to pronounce only a one letter in that. So which is in the beginning. So E means tie, A, train, train, A. Here also C, C. So you can see like meat, meat. So where only one sound is observed, not both. Okay. So basing on this, you want to write your volume S3. Now what is a word web? So how do we write a word web? Word web. So there you are particularly learning that there is a word. For that word we want to create some web. So previously we discussed about butterfly. Okay. So if I take the butterfly, so you came to know that what words are related to the butterfly. We can write some words relating to butterfly. What? We can say the butterfly is colorful, just like describing. We can say the butterfly is colorful. We can say that the butterfly is beautiful, or something like it came from the eggs. So eggs, it came from the eggs, and we had caterpillar. So it comes again from the caterpillar, and also it comes in the stage of a pupa, and also some cocoon is there where we observe that it is coming from that, sleeping from that, and we can say that butterfly, it goes onto the flowers, and also it looks very beautiful, I said that. So these are the words which I can use. I can say that even butterfly has some colorful wings. It is colorful, it comes from eggs. So like this, it is a word web where we write about something. If I take about a room, something like a living room or bedroom or something, word web means nothing but a word with which the others are all related to. Now if I take, so if you want you can take a screenshot here children. So based on butterfly what we have written, you can take a screenshot because this you can write in your notebook, not in your volume. So in your volume you can write something other. Okay, if you want you can take a screenshot. Now, so other than this butterfly also we can write many things in a word web. So what is this word web? Word web is nothing but using a verb and a word unrelated to it. So if I say something like bedroom, that is nothing but a room in our house. So if I take a bedroom, what are the words which can be related with the bedroom? We can say a bed will be there, pillow will be there, bed sheet will be there. I can take a lamp in the room. I can take a watch to check the timing in the room. In the bedroom, some sceneries are there. Okay, scenery. So I can have a scenery, a fan, an AC. So like this, whatever the words are related to this, you can write it and you can find it out. So basing on this, let us read from our textbook some poems and try to complete our volume S2 and S3. Okay. So let us read our textbook. Okay kids, are you ready? Since our aim is to read and pronounce the words with AI sound and IE sound, basing on that, let us first read the phonics rhymes which are there in our page number 84 in our textbook. The first one is, I paint the wall. This is the wall I want to paint. The wall is so small, I cannot wait. I will paint the rain and a snail that leaves behind a snail trail. So, if you observe a girl, can you see the girl? Yes, the girl, what is the girl doing? The girl is painting. So, in the words paint, we had observed I sound, A. So, here A sound, paint, we are not pronouncing I but A sound. So, this is the wall I want to paint. So, the wall is given there. So, on that wall, the girl want to paint. The wall is so small, I cannot wait. So, wait is also one more. So, try to find the AI sound words and write them in your notebook under the AI sound words and underline them in the textbook. You underline AI sound words and circle the rhyming words in the textbook. On what is this poem about? It is about a painting on the wall. The girl is painting, so paint on the wall. I will paint the rain and a snail. What can the girl paint while doing the painting? She can paint the snail, rain. So I will paint the rain and the snail. The girl wants to paint about rain and snail. Only rain and snail can we paint, or can we paint any other things while you are going on the way, maybe on the walls, on the posters. So many ways you might have find many pictures. So what pictures can we paint? Even in our house we paint many. So what are some words related to paint? That leaves behind a snail trail. So here you can observe that leaves means which is leaving behind, something is they are leaving. So that leaves behind a snail trail. So a snail trail is left behind. Snail trail is nothing but while a snail is moving, some wet, because of the wetness or some excretory organs, some excretory product released by the snail, we can find some lines on the way. That lines whatever are there, that are called as the snail trails. You can see the picture. So the girl want to draw that lines also, that leaves behind a snail trail. So While she is drawing, she finds that the snail is moving and it leaves the snail trail behind. Now once again let us read. This is the wall I want to paint. The wall is so small I cannot wait. I will paint the rain and a snail that leaves behind a snail trail. Now let us move to the second poem where we are going to get IE sounds. Tie your lace. Tie your lace, roll the die. Eat the pie, don't tell a lie. Tie, die, pie, pie, lie, tie. So this is a poem on the lace. To tie your lace means the boy wants to tie the lace. Tie your lace, roll the die. So after tying the lace, the girl is asking the boy first to tie the lace, then to roll the die. Can you see the die down there? So on the die, the dots will be pointed with 1, 2 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be marked. So you might have played with that. So she is asking to roll the die. Then eat the pie. Can you see? In her hand a pie is there. So she is asking to eat the pie. First tie your lace, then roll the die and eat the pie. Don't tell a lie. So asking not to tell a lie. That means always speak truth. Don't speak lies. Now can you observe there? So the poem Tie Your Lace is having IE sound words overall. So tie, die, pie. Pie, lie, tie. So here in this poem underline the words which have the IE sound. Now basing on the AI and IE words, let us complete our volume. Page number 26, open your volume. Now say the words and fill in the blanks with AI and IE words. So already you have learned these in the poem. By seeing the pictures you can identify them and you can write them according to the poem we have read. Now second one is change the letters to make the new word. So you want to change. First you want to write the picture of, there is a picture, first picture. So first you want to write the name of that picture. Basing on that picture, you want to change some letters in that and you want to write the name of the second picture. Now from the name of the second picture, you want to change that word, any letter from that word and you want to write the third word. So basing on that, you want to complete your S2. Page number 26. Now already we have read the poems and we had gone through the word webs. Now basing on that word web, let us go with the S3 in page number 27. Write 3 more things that a poem can be about. So we observed the poem, now it is on the paint and it is about tying the lace. In the same way you can write poems. See, if you see there, you can find that we can write the poems on animals, trees, toys, family and friends. In the same way, write 3 more words about that so that we can find on what we can write the poem. Now basing on the words you had written or the words which are given, you want to write your second question. Choose one of the topics from the outside circles. Write it in the middle circle. So whatever we had written in the outside circles, that word we want to write in the middle and we want to fill in the word web with words about it. So if you take about trees, what are the trees related with? If you write about family, so what is family related with? Friends, animals. So if we take an animals, so about their habits or what they need and something like that. So basing on that, you want to complete your second question and send it through WhatsApp, the S2 and S3. Okay children, thank you.